Come take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the defogger, rear window electric, GVWR, 7,000 pounds 3175 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, transmission, 6-speed automatic, wheels, 418x 845.7 cm x 20.3 cm aluminum, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. All-Star Edition, tires, P265/65 R18 on off-road, white outline letter, license plate bracket, front and the suspension package, off-road. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.